Hello everyone, my name is Akash. I am one of the faculty at Career Launcher. In this video, I will be talking about the Maharashtra CET MBA entrance examination. Out of 200 questions in the paper, there are around 25 questions which are based on visual reasoning. Visual reasoning is also known as abstract reasoning, and the weightage of this topic in the paper will be of 25 marks. The type of question that are asked in the paper will be in the form of the pictures, and this picture will be inside the boxes. So guys, while solving the questions, I am going to use certain kind of terminology, so you should be familiar with that wordings. So ये boxes को मैं naming करूँगा as the frame, and जो ये boxes के अंदर आपको symbols, alphabets और number मिलेंगे, उनको मैं naming करूँगा as the element. If you look at this frame, it has got 9 elements. So in the paper part, number of element may increase or decrease, and in this frame you can see 3 rows and the 3 columns, which also may vary, and every element has got a specific name. For example, if you look at this fifth element, the fifth element belongs to the second row and the second column. And if you want to name the ninth element, which is at the right bottom corner, it belongs to the third row and the थर्ड कॉलम. सो हम लोग ये टर्मिनोलॉजी के साथ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. अब कैसे क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम्स में आते हैं? सो द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट आर आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन इन दिस कैटेगरी विल बी द फर्स्ट वन, विच इज नोन एज योर सीरीज पार्ट. अगर मैं सीरीज को फर्दर क्लासिफाइड करूं, इन दिस कैटेगरी द फर्स्ट वन इज द नेक्स्ट फिगर. अ सेट ऑफ फ्रेम इज गिवन टू मी in the paper, and you have to find out the pattern between this frame, and they are going to ask you what would come in the last frame. This is known as your next figure. In the second part, which is known as your missing figure, they may miss the second frame or the third frame or the fourth frame. So by looking at the pattern, you have to find out that missing figure and the wrong figure. All the frames are given to me in the question itself, and there would be one frame that will not follow the pattern. So this is known as, guys, series question. In the second part, that is known as your analogies. Analogies में आपको एक selected frame दिया हुआ रहेगा. In these two set of frames which are logically connected, you have to understand कि इनके बीच का logical connection क्या है. And out of the option, you will have to search for that option which is going to have the same logical connection which is given in the question. So this is known as your analogies. And the last part in this known as odd man out. All the frames are given to me in the question itself, and there would be one frame जो dissimilar रहेगा, ठीक है, which is not like other frames. So that you will have to figure out. So guys, in this video we will learn the tips and the tricks to solve such type of questions. In this, the first category is known as series question. Series question कितने आते पेपर में? It comes of 7 to 8 marks. So let us look at the example. If you look at the example, they have given you 4 frames, and inside this frame there are 5 elements inside each frame. So you will have to see the pattern in the changes in the behavior of this element. So अब मैं कैसे solve करूँगा? I am looking at the middle one. प्लस साइन फर्स्ट फ्रेम में दिया हुआ है. इन द सेकेंड फ्रेम मल्टीप्लीकेशन, देन इफ यू मूव टू थर्ड फ्रेम प्लस देन मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो इट इज गोइंग अल्टरनेट. सो इन द फिफ्थ फ्रेम इट शुड बी द प्लस वन. सो ऑप्शन ए कुड बी द आंसर, इट कुड बी सी, इट कुड बी डी. बट इफ यू लुक एट द ऑप्शन नंबर बी, द मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज गिवन, so it is getting rejected. So basically while solving the question of visual reasoning, it is very important to eliminate the options. Now if you look at the element, this shaded triangle, left pointing in the first frame, in the second frame right pointing, in the third frame left, in the fourth frame right. So in the fifth frame it should be the left pointing, but in the option A it is pointing toward the right. It is again getting eliminated. So option C and D. But now we will not follow the question. We will see Z as it is in C, as it is in D. So you just look at S as in C, as in D. So we will look for this C. So from the first frame to second frame, if you look at the C, then it is in the second frame, it is a mirror image. Then in the third frame, it is again C, then the mirror image of it. Then again, it should be the C part, which is given in the option number C. So option number D is rejected. So guys, we are going to solve such type of questions in the subsequent videos, where we will learn the tips and the tricks to solve the visual reasoning questions. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.